We're going to explain how to troubleshoot no sound issues with your Koorui monitor. 1. First, ensure your monitor is properly connected to your computer. Check all cables, making sure the audio cable is firmly plugged into both the monitor and your computer's sound output. Try different ports if you have multiple available. 2. Next, verify your computer's sound settings. Go into your system's sound settings and check that the correct output device is selected. It should be your Koorui monitor, not your speakers or headphones. If your monitor isn't listed, you might need to install drivers, which we'll discuss later. 3. Check the monitor's volume controls. Many monitors have their own volume controls, often located on the monitor itself or in an on-screen display, OSD menu, accessed using buttons on the monitor. Make sure the volume isn't muted and is turned up. 4. If you're using an HDMI cable, ensure that the HDMI port on your computer supports audio output. Not all HDMI ports on all devices do, so check your computer's specifications or the port's labeling. Consider using a different cable. A faulty cable can cause audio problems. 5. Now let's consider the possibility of driver issues. If the monitor isn't recognized as an audio output device, or if you have recently updated your operating system, outdated or missing drivers could be to blame. Go to the Koorui website and download the latest audio drivers for your specific monitor model. Follow the on-screen instructions to install them properly. Make sure to restart your computer afterward. 6. Sometimes the audio settings within your applications are also responsible. Check the volume and sound settings within the specific program or game you're using. It's possible that the application itself has its own independent volume control that's muted or set too low. 7. If you're still experiencing issues after these steps, your monitor's internal speakers might be faulty. Try connecting your computer to external speakers or headphones to test whether the sound is coming from your computer. If the sound works with external devices, the problem lies with the monitor's speakers, and you should contact Koorui support or consider repairs or replacement. 8. Another less common possibility is a conflict with other audio devices. Try disabling other audio output devices temporarily, such as headphones or built-in computer speakers, to see if that resolves the problem. 9. Finally, if all else fails, thoroughly review your monitor's manual. The manual often provides troubleshooting steps for common problems, including audio issues, and contact Koorui support for direct assistance. They can provide more specialized guidance based on your specific monitor model and configuration.